In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Lovable to Supabase. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, the first thing you need to do is to create a Supabase account, register a new Supabase account, or sign in if you already have one. Then create a new project in Supabase, click on plus, new project, complete the necessary fields, and allow a few minutes for setup. Now, connect Supabase to Lovable. Initiate the Supabase connection in Lovable, as you can see. Then authorize and select or create a project. Choose a Supabase organization and project to link with your Lovable app. Then wait for configuration to complete. After selecting the project, Lovable will automatically configure the connection. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.